Western Digital MyBook 14 terabytes. Let's see what you get, and now we can test it to make sure we not get a fake one that are doing the rounds on Amazon. So how much do they currently cost? 14 terabytes. £208. It's gone up a little bit. Now I bought this just a week ago. I'm shooting this on the 3rd of December and I bought it on the 26th of November. So let's open it up and see what we get, and then we're going to test it. This is how it's delivered. Whoa! As you can see, I love these drives, these Western Digital drives. Look how many I've got. Well, I got tons of them. Most of them are 8 terabyte. That is a 28 terabyte monster there. This one I think is 8 terabyte. Most are 8. It's a couple 4 terabytes so there, and that 28 terabyte twin babe monster. I keep the lid off to keep it cool. So this is what the 12 terabyte looks like. It's got MyBook written there. Yeah, it's got usual connections at the front, plastic covering, and then you get another adapter. I've got so many of these adapters now. You know, got a cupboard full of them. That's the adapter. What's that? Yeah, it's UK pin. No USB cable. Cables are valuable. Yeah. What's that? That's the SATA type port. I forgot what you call them. What do you call the port? Instructions. Password protection, never used it. 3-year guarantee. 3-year warranty, should I say. That's good. My experience, if you don't continuously have them connected, they will last at least 5 years. If you continuously connect, it's going to have a shorter lifespan. When I mean continuously connected, I mean powered up. They are powered up, but the drives are idle. You know, you don't want the drives to be spinning constantly. You want them to fire up on demand. Then you'll get 5 years out of them. My experience. That's why I periodically buy new ones. Anyway, that's what you get. So now I'm going to show you how to test it to make sure A, it's genuine, you're not being scammed. It looks genuine. You know, box is genuine. The drive looks, on first looks, genuine, but you never know what's inside. So first thing is to test that it's genuine. Secondly, that it performs well. Like I say, it's 14 terabyte. You know, it's probably going to be actual usable volume is 13 terabytes. I'm going to plug her in. I don't need to use these cables. I'll just unplug that drive and plug this new one in. Then we'll have a look on the computer what the Western Digital MyBooks are like. This is a 14 terabyte. You can get, look, there's a whole range of them. 1 bay, 3 terabyte, from 3 terabyte to 14, and then you can go second bay. Let's see what the second bay costs are. 14 to 16 terabyte, that's not too bad. 500, oh no, that is expensive, sorry. I thought I said 28. What's the 28 terabyte drive? Oh, I'm going to have to look at MyBook Duo. Let's just have a quick look before I plug the drive in. I should really do it using OBS. We'll just have a quick look. Yeah. Oh. There we go. 2 bay, 36 terabyte, ooh, 800. 28 terabyte, 650. Prices are a little high at the moment, so you might want to check. 16 terabyte, 545. Anyway, let's connect it up and show you how to check that it's genuine. And there's nothing wrong with it. So the first test for the new drive is to look at the capacity. MyBook, install Western Digital software, dated 15th December. 12.7 terabytes. 14 terabyte drive, that's all I get. Okay, so here we've got the Explorer for my book. And we've got the Crystal Disk info showing good. That's the only difference I'm detecting so far. We've got AutoDisk benchmark. I'll run a benchmark to see how fast it is. And here we got the Western Digital Utility software just installed. So I'm going to run a quick test first. Only takes a few seconds. Passed. It doesn't check anything. What's this? Quick drive test. Check the performance problems. Take 2 minutes. Alright, before I run that, I'll run the speed test. Now it should be well over 100 megabits per second on at least the 16 kilobyte. Yeah, these will be low. Okay, in comparison, the MyBook Duo, it was a lot better than this. Yeah, but that is a twin drive. It is striped across 2 drives, so yeah, it will be. So this is 200 to 215. That was around 400. But that is 2 drives, 2 red striped. And you can see the read writes are absolutely fine. So in terms of speed, it's better than I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be around this. But it's coming out at 200. It is fast, 2700 RPM. Let's see what the that's 5400. See, it's not got reds in it. Yeah, it hasn't got reds in it. It's got some other drives in it. So the drives in this are cheaper than the 28 terabyte MyBook Duo, which is 2 reds. But they perform, as you can see, fast. So I wouldn't keep these permanently connected, you know, casual connection, not permanently used, because the drives in this are cheaper than what you would expect. I thought they might have reds in them, but it's not reds. I don't know what they are. I'm not going to open it up to find out. Anyway, look, it's completed the speed check. That is absolutely fine. Now let's run the quick drive test, which will take 2 minutes. And it hopefully should pass. Complete drive check. Well, that's going to take hours. 14 terabyte. I estimate at least 6 hours, probably more. So I won't run that at the moment. So far it's passed all the tests I've done. Slight negative is that I can hear the drive now. Can you hear it? Slight negative is that it's not reds. I don't know what's in it. I could probably do some research. Okay, so that's what's inside, and this is what I found the closest match. WD10EJ This is the drive inside the case. I don't know what it is. It's white label, but it doesn't look like a red. It's not a red. Helium, which it is. Where's Crystal Disk info? Helium, no, it's got a helium rating somewhere down here. Helium count 100. Temperature's gone up. Western Digital 14 terabyte white label red. It could be a red. Found this posting on Parkpick. What's this? Okay, so this is what I found. Is it the same one? Yep. Western Digital 14 terabyte white label red 72 up. It could be a red. What's the price? $250. It's cheap for a 14 terabyte red. It's the same one, look. Obviously this one's used, I presume. Is it listed as new? So used it's a Western Digital white label red. So that's what's inside. That's good. That means they're very reliable. So is it worth it at $280? You get the enclosure, that's worth maybe £40. So is it worth it? So is it worth it at $280 in the UK right now? Probably not. You might want to wait for a better deal. The enclosure is worth around £40. So they say the drive's worth 200. Well, this is it new? Let's see. You can get it new. It's not listed as new. See, look, this is the, because that's a white label, red label. It jumps. Is it some? Yeah, this is it. It's tough, isn't it? So if you're looking, I don't think, the thing is, if you're going to take it out of the enclosure and shook it, then it might be worth it. But for me, it's worth it. Yeah, because it's 14 terabytes for £280. Yeah, I would probably pay around $210. Anyway, that's what's inside. It's a white label red, and red drives are good, reliable. So the final test I would do is to put the serial number on the Western Digital site, just to check that it's not fake. But so far I've had no indications this is a fake drive. Look, SATA 600 there, 71, everything checks out as a white label red. So I'll leave it at that. Do subscribe for new videos, give a thumbs up and a like if you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne.
Yeah, hey, hold it. Yeah, the reflection.